Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can learn how to save messages on your Infinix phone in 2024. With this easy tutorial, this step-by-step guide will show you how to archive messages on your Infinix mobile device, keeping your important conversations safe and organized. Watch now to discover how to effectively manage your messages on your Infinix device. So let's start friends. First you have to go to search option and type here messages. Click on messages and you can see this. You want to archive messages, click on this, just long press this, and friends you can see the right side of pin is this option. You have to just click on and you can see the conversation is archived. This is how you can archive and how you can back archive. How you can come to this, click on this and you can see this archived. Click on this and you can see archived as saved here, and you have to just long press this to undo this. Click on this and friends you can see the conversations are unarchived. You can see it will show on messages app. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.